Assassin's Creed Valhalla's second major expansion, The Siege of Paris, is available now, adding a new adventure set in beautiful, rat-infested, 9th century France. Eva arrives at the invitation of local warlords Siegfried and Toka, who are locked in conflict with the forces of King Charles V, an unstable despot who wants to drive the Vikings out of his empire for good. With considerable ambition and military might behind him, Charles can even pose a threat to England's Vikings, unless Eva can convince him, either through guile or force, to stay home. It all leads up to the titular siege, and you can be among the first to kick down Paris doors starting today. The Siege of Paris is available now via the Season Pass, or as a separate purchase for Assassin's Creed Valhalla players on Xbox One, Xbox Series XS, PS4, PS5, PC, Stadia, and Amazon Luna.